Welcome once again to Python multiple choice questions quiz set 2. In this part, we will learn 5 more questions and their answers. So first question is, what is the output of print? Then you have written 3, an asterisk sign here, and then a literal string Python. A, Python, 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 B, Python 3, C, it would give an error, or D, Python multiplied by 3. So answer will be Python, Python, Python. That is A. Basically, when you will multiply any string with a number, so it will write that particular number those many times. Second question is, which of the following is a mutable data type in Python? Mutable means you can change values, whether it's a string, tuple, list, or set. So list is a mutable data type. That means you can go to a list, and inside a list you can change elements on the basis of their values or on the basis of their index. Third question is, what will be the output of this? So we have written a bool function. Inside bool function we have written an empty list, whether it will give you true, false, none, or error. So it will give you false. What is the default return value of a function that does not return anything? Is it 0? Is it none? An empty string or error? The default return value of a function. So the default return value of a function that does not return anything is none. This is the default return value. Last question is, what will be the output of print type in your function? You are providing an empty curly brackets open and close in Python 3. Whether it will give you class list, dictionary, set, or tuple. We know that list has a square bracket, tuple has parenthesis or round brackets. Dictionary and set both are created with the help of these curly brackets, but the answer for this will be a class dictionary. So these are Python MCQ quiz. This is set 2. Please subscribe to our channel to receive notifications, because we will keep uploading different type of sets to test your knowledge of Python programming language.